Hey, it's your girl Angel K, and if you want to see how I got this blue cut crease and this black glitter liner, then keep on watching. To prep my eyeshadow base, I have already applied concealer, and now I'm setting that concealer with the Laura Mercier translucent powder. In order to get the cleanest look, I will be applying these eyeshadow shields to help pick up any fallout and to get a very sharp wing. Now I am applying this nude shade as my eyeshadow base, and I'm just blending it all over my lid with a very fluffy brush. Now to define my crease, I'm taking this light orange shade with a small blending brush and using sweeping motions to distribute it throughout my crease. Now here you see me pressing the color into my crease. This is going to give me the most color payoff and help me build up my color faster. Now I'm taking this dense packing brush to pack this teal shade all over my eyelid. Now to darken up the look, I'm adding a black shade to the outer V of my eye, and you'll see me slowly blending it in with the teal color and also blending it into my crease with the orange as well. The key with a very nice smoky look is to just take your time and blend very slowly and make sure you blend everything that you want to blend together so that you get a very seamless look. Now I'm going to add some of that orange shade back into my crease since it got a little lost with all the blending. And here I am just blending it into the black and also above it as well. Now here I am cutting my crease. I'm going to use the LA Girl Pro Conceal in the shade Almond, and I'm going to use this concealer brush and start cutting my crease, basically just going over the shape of my eye and packing it on with the brush and making sure that I have a lot of it all over my lid. And here I am putting it on the other eye and doing the same exact thing, making sure that the concealer is in the shape that I want. Now Now time for this cut crease. I'm going to wet my brush with the NYX setting spray so that I can pick up a lot of the color. And next you will see me here packing on this blue glittery shade all over my eyelid. And wetting the brush helps to get more color payoff and helps the shadow to stick to the brush. Now I'm going back in with that black shade from earlier and smoking out the look just a little bit and building up that color and blending it into the blue color we just packed on. Next, I'm adding this matte teal shade that is very close to the shimmery shade I put on. So here I am just placing it in between the shimmery shade and the black, which is going to help create a more ombre effect. Now I'm blending again. That seems to be my favorite thing to do for this look. Just keep on blending and hopefully everything will turn out all right. So now I'm just blending the black with the teal and blending the teal in with the shimmery shade and also blending my crease as well. Now it is time for eyeliner. I'm going to be first placing it just on my lid, a very thin black line. That's what you want to start with. And then later on, going out into the V shape of my eye and dragging the liner back down like you see I am doing here. And you're just going to drag it down to connect to the black line you already made. And you're just going to fill in everything and make it as thick as you want. To get the blackest eyeliner, you're going to take a black eyeshadow like I am doing here and patting it on top of the eyeliner. This will help fill in any gaps that you might have left and create a sharper wing. Here I am placing the glitter for my glitter eyeliner look, and this is actually more of a pressed pigment that I'm applying. And at first I wanted to do an ombre effect, so I only put a little bit in the inner corner and then made like a gradient effect and added more to the outside, but later on you'll see me just putting the glitter wherever I want. Now for my inner corner highlight, I am putting a shimmery teal shade in the inner corner of both eyelids, and this is just to brighten up the look. Something I like to do is blend my inner corner highlight with the eyeshadow on my lid. So now you can see me sweeping it up slowly and just creating an ombre effect in the inner corner. And now I'm going to be placing some of that eyeshadow on my bottom eyelid and just very lightly blending it together. Next is mascara, and this is my favorite mascara. This is the Maybelline Falsies mascara, and I just apply this to the top and bottom lashes. Don't forget about your bottom lashes. And now it's time for the big reveal. You can see that sharp wing and very defined eyeshadow. Finally, I'm taking this smudge brush and dragging out that teal shade I placed in my bottom lid earlier and just kind of sweeping it across. Some of the black shadow on top got down on the bottom, so I was just working with it and blending it together to create an ombre effect on the bottom lid. Now you can't forget about your lashes. I actually got these from the dollar store and these came out so nice. And this is the final look. I put on foundation, everything off camera, but I just wanted to show you this eyeshadow tutorial, and thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed it. And let me know if you tried this look for yourself.